In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website visitors in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you're signed in to Freshsales with an administrator account. Tracking setup lives in the admin area, so you'll need those permissions to access and install the code. If you aren't an admin, you'll need someone with admin rights to complete the setup for you. Once you're in, head to Admin Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this by clicking the gear icon in the sidebar or the top navigation. This is where Freshsales keeps the tools that affect your overall account and integrations. Next, locate the section that contains the website tracking code. The label can vary slightly between accounts, but you're looking for something like Website Embed, CRM Tracking Code, or Freshsales for Web. If your account has a search bar in Admin Settings, typing Tracking Code or Web usually brings it up right away. When you open that section, you'll see a small JavaScript snippet provided by Freshsales. This snippet is unique to your account and tells Freshsales which site activity to associate with your CRM. Copy the entire block exactly as it appears. Don't change anything in the script. Editing it can break tracking or misattribute visitors. Keep the snippet private, since it's tied to your workspace. Now add the snippet to your website so it loads on every page you want to track. The most reliable place is inside your site's HTML head, which ensures it initializes early as pages load. If you manage your site through a CMS, look for a setting that lets you insert code into the header site-wide. If you use a tag manager, create a custom HTML tag with this snippet and set it to fire on all pages. The key is consistency. The script needs to be present across your site, not just on the home page. After saving, publish or deploy your changes so the script goes live. It can take a few minutes for activity to begin flowing into Freshsales. For a quick smoke check, open your site in a private or incognito window and browse a few pages. You'll want to make sure the script isn't duplicated and that it appears only once per page to avoid inflated metrics. That's it. By logging in as an admin, grabbing the official tracking snippet and placing it in your site's head, or through a tag manager on every page, you enable Freshsales to capture visitor behavior and surface it in your CRM, giving your team valuable context for leads and customers.